So I'm going to teach you how to make yogurt. It's really easy. It takes less than 5 minutes. So I always use Fairlife 3% ultra filtered milk. You can get it like $4 or $5 at the grocery store. So I always use 2 of these. Then I always use a cup of a Greek yogurt that I like. I like the coconut one. And I use just a teaspoon or tablespoon of vanilla extract. And if you want it a little bit sweeter, I use sweetened condensed milk. I'll use about half a cup for that. So the first thing is, you just take this 1.5 liters and you just put the whole thing in there. Okay, so the second one. Okay, then I will take a cup of the yogurt, so I'll just put about a cup of that. Any brand of your favorite Greek yogurt, make sure it has live bacterial cultures, otherwise your yogurt won't set. And I'll just do a spoon. I just approximate it, which is half a cup of condensed milk for sweetness. This is optional. The yogurt that I make is very mild. It has no tartness because it's incubated for only 6 hours. So if you incubate for like say 9 hours, it will get more tart. So that's about half a cup there. And then I whisk really well. And then I just cover and press the yogurt function, and it's set to 6 hours, and that should be it. And then when it's done at 6 hours, I just pour it into yogurt containers like this, and then I have yogurt for 1 to 2 weeks. It makes around maybe 3.5 liters of yogurt, and we go through quite a bit. That's easy. So I make my own jam. So I'll use raspberries, and I just heat it up until it's all kind of soft. I'll use blueberries, blackberries, anything that's in season. Sometimes I use the frozen berries, but right now I just bought raspberries. Then I like to add maple syrup for sweetener, so I approximate. I don't use too much. And then sometimes if I don't have maple syrup, then I'll use Lankanto sweetener, that like just a little bit. This one's great because it doesn't have any aftertaste, and this monk fruit sweetener, it doesn't raise insulin levels. So I'm just going to mash the raspberries. And then when it's fairly smooth in consistency, then I will add chia seeds, which thickens it up into jam. This way, there's no preservatives, and I know exactly what's going into my jam, and it lasts about 1 week. And I put these, I put this jam into my yogurt. So basically, let's see, I use like maybe a tablespoon or 2 of chia seeds. And then just stir. And then I'll just put it into jars, jam jars. If you want a very smooth consistency, you can use the hand blender. And so I will blend. And then I will pour it into jam jars like this. Sorry for the awkward positioning because I'm left-handed. And then this goes on top of my yogurt every day.